Hello, good evening and welcome to my channel. I'm just here to do a quick unboxing. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I want to say I'm back, baby, I'm back. But hey, let me just do this quick unboxing and let's get on. Hope you're doing well in the pandemic, in the time of the pandemic. Hope you enjoy your upcoming holidays, and I hope you enjoy Christmas when it comes along. Alrighty, so let me just do the quick unboxing for my Fresh Fiction Not to Miss box. I already opened this box because, as you know, filming ain't easy. And this is the Share Love box. And in this box, you get at least 4 to 5 bookish items. Not bookish items, books. 4 to 5 books. It doesn't really have any bookish item in there. The only thing except the books that come in the box is a tea and maybe some sweets. That's the only additional things that might come. And a bookmark. This one is from Harlequin booksellers. Alright, so the first book out of the box is Bane's Choice by Alice Day. It's a vampire motorcycle club, book 1. Bane has lost his humanity ages ago, and nothing is more important than protecting his motorcycle club, which is a vampire motorcycle club, until he meets a frustratingly sexy human doctor. And as you know, it's a vampire romance motorcycle. Everybody, here we go. Alrighty. The next one book out the box is Julie Pennell, Louisiana Lucky. It's just the tale of 3 sisters who were lucky enough to win a big jackpot. So let's see if they can make all their dreams come true and have a happy ever after. That's Louisiana Lucky. And the final book out the box is The Forgotten Kingdom. This is book 2 from Sidney Pike. It's an Arthurian legend about the Forgotten Kingdom, dramatic and feverishly paced continuation of her Lost Queen trilogy. So this is book 2 of the trilogy. I have book 1 on my NetGallery page. So yeah, I'll finish up book 1, and then I'm very happy to have seen book 2 arrive in the box this month. So this is a really good get. This book cost $28 retail, so the cost of the box is already paid for with just this one book. Alrighty, so I'll see you next time on my next unboxing. I'll also be doing my wrap-up, I'm finished already. My Tome Topple 2BR, so I'll be posting that shortly. So be well, be blessed, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell to see when I throw up some more awesome videos.